Hi guys, I'm Vasby here. Welcome to another YouTube video. And today guys, I'm going to show you how to make a redstone password door in Minecraft New 3DS Edition. So last but not least, let's get going. So I'm going to open my temporary road that I just made. I'm going to delete it after I'm done with this tutorial. This is not the most necessarily compact, but it's also the most, it's actually the best in my opinion. At least in the new 3DS version for, making, what was I going to say? Making making it more redundant and making more combinations. So first you're going to need is a U choice of any block. Let's just use some oak wood for this. Any choice of any block. Next you want to go to redstone. If you're in survival, you don't obviously have the creative material like I do, but you want some redstone dust, a redstone torch, redstone repeater, lever ideally. You can use the buttons, but levers are ideal. I feel like I'm missing something, I'm not sure. I guess we'll see. Oh yeah, and you can use pistons, you can use sticky pistons, you can have like secret doors, you can use like iron doors, iron trap doors, you can do a lot of stuff with this. For the sake of this video, I will be doing iron door, because it's a lot easier to showcase, so, yeah. So, first of all, let me just make the door frame. It shouldn't take that long, hopefully. Hopefully I can get this done in time, because I don't really want to have to remake it, because the tablet ran out of storage. Okay, so what you guys want to do is you want to build, you want to get the wall, ideally, that you want. Just make this. Okay, so, let me just show you a 6 combination lock. Actually, no, let's just signs, actually. No signs. Sign. Here's sign. And no, not the math sign. If you know what math sign, good job. I'm going to be very surprised if anyone knows. But let's just say, let's do what's 1 plus 1, so it's obviously, actually, that's not easy, that's hard, actually easy, too easy. Let's do what's, how to make, orange, let's do how to make orange, so, let's do it right there. That's red, and you want to space your signs out 2 spaces. Let me just get my stylus out. So, easy to type. So this method, ideally you want to have like, say a sign here, space right here, and then another sign right here, and then let's just do yellow, and that's that. So let's do how to make orange. How about that, guys? How to make orange? We're going to do that. This combination. I'm not sure I'm crouching exactly. It's annoying. I'm gonna make probably more than necessary just to get this done quickly. Just show how easy it is to do. See if I can find it. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Sorry about that, guys. Kind of recording in a weird position. Yeah. And yellow. Let's do green. And space. Hope it's not getting dark. I thought I put all sunny. Blue. And then violet. So we have to make orange, guys. So if you don't know how to make orange, red and yellow make orange. The primary colors red and yellow make orange. And now we're not going to be doing the primary colors of light. I think you make orange a little bit different than you make right here. That means the yellow light right here means that one of my friends is online, which I just found out what that light meant today. Anyways, so if you don't know, if you don't know, guys. Red and yellow make orange. I'm not sure about the primary colors of light, but pigments, red and yellow make orange, so obviously that's so. I just realized I did this wrong, but okay. I guess we have to. And ideally, you wanna. Actually, no, I have an idea. It's gonna be annoying to redo. Really annoying. Because I like to space them out, like, have the lever, on, like, what's the word I'm looking for? Head height. So 2 blocks. I usually like to have the lever 2 blocks above the ground, if you know what I mean, guys. Let's just do this, I guess. I didn't really think about it at the time, but I'm not going to redo it right now. Yeah. So, anyways, so first we need to place levers right here, here, here. You need to place the lever right above the sign. You don't really need signs. You can use wool. You can use blocks. You don't really need signs for this part. This is just indicating of what password. And if you wanted to, you don't need to use anything in the indicator. You can just have like a certain like shape. Like I know Androids have like shape combination logs, so like a certain pattern that you do. Okay. So for the ones that are not it, so this one has to be off. This one has to be off. This one has to be off, and orange has to be off because you don't make orange with orange. You make it with yellow. So for the ones that are not going to be true, what we're gonna want to do is we're going to want to place the redstone torch right actually on front of the block behind the lever. So right here, this is the lever right here. If you can see that, guys, right here, right, the lever's right here. So right here, lever's right there. I want to place it one right behind the redstone torch, each behind each lever on the block. Now for the ones that aren't true, what you want to do is you want to take have one block space, so missing block right here, and then you want to place a redstone torch right here. You want to place a block right above the redstone dust, like so. If you guys can see that, and it should work on the Java edition, also the Bedrock edition as well, guys. I don't know why it wouldn't, and and you don't need for the ones that are not true, you also want to do a space right here. So space, block right here, redstone dust, right next to right at the level of the redstone torch. Block right here, redstone torch, space, block. Actually, you don't have to necessarily do block. It just depends on where you place the levers. You can place the levers. You can place them like 1 high, 3 high, however many high you want. It just depends, guys. But basically, the redstone mechanics, the ones behind it, are basically all gonna be the same for the most part. Set different levels depending on how high you make the levers. Yes, you want to place a block right here. Right here, you want to place the redstone dust right here. And to make it more redundant, we're going to want to place a repeater right here, guys. So that's that. And let's see now. Blue, you don't make orange with obviously blue or green, so we're going to rinse and repeat, like so. Block right here, 3 blocks tall. 2 blocks tall, 3 blocks tall. Redstone dust right here, redstone dust right here. Again, it's kind of hard to record right now. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this video, at least getting somewhat knowing how to do it. Sorry, I haven't been able to do a lot of videos lately. I've been at a hotel lately. And yeah, let me just light this torch. Redstone torch right here, so the dust is powering the redstone torch. And then, right here, place the blocks right there. You want to place, again, oops, where's my hand? Place a block right here. Place a block right here. Since these are false, this, and then do a redstone repeater right here. So let me just zoom out a little bit. So let me see it here. Yeah, that's basically it. Let's get here. Hopefully that's you can see what I'm doing now, guys. And what do we have? We have green. We have yellow. So yeah, obviously we need yellow to make orange, right? I'm obviously not using wool because I want this to get done fast. I also don't want to take on my inventory with just wool because the inventory is kind of limited, and I have done something like this in the past, and it took almost all my inventory space, like the hotbar, and in creative it's kind of annoying to get the hotbar and stuff like that. So in Survivor, obviously I might do wool, but you can do wool if you want. So here you want to actually not do a block right there. So the values that are true, so this yellow and red make orange, right, guys? So yellow is true, so this has to be on. So since this is powered, since this lever is being powered, this redstone torch is being powered off with a NOT gate. A NOT gate just transfer the values from on to off, and you just want to place blocks right there. Redstone is all the way around. Just follow exactly what I do, guys, and it should work just fine. Redstone repeater. Again, you don't have to do this combination. You can do any combination you want, and you can do as long as you want as well with this style. Here, let's see now. What is this? This is orange. So orange is not true. So basically that we need that to be off. So we need to place the redstone dust right here. Redstone torch right there. Block right here. Block right here. Block right here. Or blocks. Let's do, where am I going to Peter, dust with some dust, And now we want red. So red and yellow make orange. That's not good. Isn't one at home. Let me just make this annoying thing. Actually not. Let's actually not. Let's actually do that, because apparently the lever's opening the door. So that's annoying. But usually if you have the door a little bit spaced out, like not directly right to the lever, it should work just fine. I'm just doing a tight space. 10 minutes saying. I've been recording for 10 minutes. It's insane. I need to hurry up. I have like 4 minutes left in order to do this. Because my YouTube channel is not YouTube partner yet. So I start here. Red is also used to make orange. So it's right here. I want block right here, block right here, block right here, block right here, block right here. And then redstone dust leading all the way out like so. And then block right here. Redstone repeater. And then that should be about it, guys. Well, it's not it, actually. What we still need to do, I recommend doing at least, is, to make this as compact as possible. I think this works, right? One sec, guys. Let me just make sure this is correct. Okay, it works. Okay, I'm just making sure this actually works. And then you want to place a redstone torch right here, like at the very end. You want to place, actually no, you want to place the, block right here. Oops. Redstone dust. That's not what you want to do. Don't pay attention to what I just did. You want to place, redstone dust under the redstone torch, actually, like so, like this. And then you want to place it here, 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 and then here. This is going to be where the iron door is going to be. Again, you can use iron doors, pistons, wooden doors, oak doors, whatever you want. You can even do trapdoors. You can basically any thing that can activate a redstone circuit. If you want to, you can even do a redstone lamp, I guess, if you want. So here, this thing is being powered. That's kind of unfortunate. It's not working. That works. Okay. I think that's wrong. Oh. Okay, so. One sec. I thought this. One sec, guys. I'm not sure exactly why the redstone dust is not working. One sec. Okay, yeah. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that the redstone dust is 2 spaces out. So redstone dust by the door, and then redstone dust right here and right here. If you do it right here, guys, oh, it still works. It's kind of funny. So yeah, redstone dust part right next to the door. So here, guys, if we turn them, we have all this off, as in open. Just so orange. Let's try all these. Doesn't work. Let's try all these now. Let's see. Nope. This doesn't open. It's right here. 1246. That's not good. How about let's turn all these off? What about that? That does not work either. How about let's do red, orange, and yellow? Or yellow, orange, red. This doesn't work. Let's do orange. Oh right, red and yellow make orange. So that's, and then the door works. So that's basically the tutorial, guys. So here, right here, these things are for when the value is not true, or basically when the lever is not pressed. And these like strings right here, like this thing right here, you can see right here, that's things for when the lever is pressed. You can also do buttons, but levers are a lot easier to keep the pulse. Anyways, guys, hope you guys have enjoyed this awesome and also short tutorial of how to make a password door on the new 3DS edition of Minecraft. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments box down below, guys. See you guys next time, and subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys next time. And well, bye bye.